Hello guys, I'm Tim Clank with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center. Here we've got a Thor Synergy. This is on a Mercedes chassis in which we installed a auxiliary fuel tank back where the spare tire used to be. Now on the Mercedes chassis, there is not a physical fuel system that is designed for that system. So we actually manufactured the mounting and the integration for that unit. Also on this coach, we're installing a MicroAir Easy Start. Another thing we installed is slide out pantry down here, so they can actually slide their coffee pot in and out with an additional shelf. One other unique thing that we've done on several of these Class B type motorhomes is we installed a one-piece walk-in shower toilet system. That's right, we have a one-piece system. So instead of having the little 24-inch shower, we have the entire thing is a shower and toilet assembly. The whole pan is a complete water-based item. It's got tile, ultralight walls in there, and it allows the taller people or the little larger people adequate room to be able to use the shower and or the toilet sufficiently. So again, I'm Tim Clank with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana.